Huwag na huwag niyong huhusgahan ang tao base sa itsura at pagkakakilala niyo sa kanila. Wala na kayong ibang bukang bibig. Nabulag kayo ng sarili niyo kahinaan, kaya inakala niyo kauri niyo ang lahat. Yan ang napapala ng mga saradong
Steve, do something! No, it's jammed! Okay, do you know what, actually?
Put some boards up.
Board gun!
Oh, thank God.
Yes, okay, we're good. The boards will save us. Right, we're safe.
Yay!
But we're not safe for long, so I say we choose a weapon, and we take them down. What would you like to choose?
Well, we've got many weapons here. We've got so many, in fact, that I think. I don't have. Do you have any?
Oh, the ammo's back here. Yeah, follow me.
Cool, thanks.
Got it?
Oh,
There you are.
that's it.
Now we're ready.
Get on my level.
Yeah! Take them down! Oh, wait.
Take 'em down.
I might need to put a board lower. Oh, they broke one. Unless that was you when you shot it.
Wait, they're coming back up.
Well, how?
Who's
How can they
this?
survive the